coaching thought for the day. So this is one of the first things that I learned when I was an instructional coach from the wonderful and talented Dr. Michael Murphy. And he talked about how, as an instructional coach, for the position that I am in, this might be different for other people, but the idea of heat and light. So heat is something that can cause some pressure. It can make people uncomfortable and push for change. Light is something that is, lighter, supporting, helping people do things. So as an instructional coach, and again, this may not be true for everybody else, but for me this is, I have no heat. I have no power to pressure teachers to do anything. I am not evaluative. They do not answer to me in any way, form, or fashion. So I have no heat. All I have is light. I am there to support them whenever they get heat from an administrator or other situations. But I just think that that's really important. And for me, that's really empowering to keep in mind that I am in charge of light. And there are moments where I probably wish I had a little more heat, just because maybe teachers aren't, being accountable to whatever the work is that he or she and I are working on. And sometimes I wish I could push them a little bit, but ultimately I have no heat. And really, I am grateful for that pretty much all the time. But keep in mind that idea of heat and light, and you just go be the best light that you can for these teachers that you support.